this is Novska Center going to Zagreb. Okay, Flexibus is spotted. It's Lidl Market in Novska. Dobro jutro Europa. Dana Sunchin, Brucia. This is the area of Novska, province of Croatia, you know. So we were going there in our bus terminal in Novska. So this is our first time to go there. So as you can see, this is Novska area. Also this is a village or a county. So see what you see. This is a beautiful area also, huh? Novska County. So ang ganda rin dito. Beautiful place. Amazing. I like this. Nature. I love nature. Forest and very quiet. There is no pollution because this is mountain and village. So this is Novska Center. Ang ganda rin pala dito mga kaibigan, ano? So polisiya, oh, ganda talaga manirahan sa mga ganito, yung malapit sa bundok, bayan, tapos malapit sa bundok, di ba? Ang ganda, oh. Pludin, Pludin, ito yung market eh. Pludin Market. Sintar. Kaliwa tayo, Sintar. Ito na yung main road mga kaibigan. Roundabout. This is roundabout. Iikot tayo. Roundabout. Maliit na roundabout. Papuntang main center ng Novska. Okay, alright. As you can see in your naked eye, the same design of houses, small and elegant, and ancient look, beautiful, amazing. This is Novska Center, Public Plaza. Okay. As you can see, beautiful place. And more building. And more establishment, coffee bar. Meron din silang okay. Iikot-ikot tayo dyan na mga kaibigan because ang oras natin dito ay mahaba pa. So once again, this is area of Novska, province of Croatia, and this is the terminal of Arriba and also Flexibus going to Zagreb and Poljana. Okay, Flexibus is spotted. So dyan din ang atin paradaan mamaya kaibigan. So sa ngayon paparada tayo dito sa kay Lidl Market kasi mahaba yung oras natin at babalik na lang tayo doon mga kaibigan. Alas 2:15 pa yung oras natin. Our departing time here in Novska is 2 o'clock and 15 minutes afternoon. So alas 8 pa lang ngayon mga kaibigan. This is Lidl Market in Novska. Okay? So hanap tayo ng paradahan sa likod. Naunahan tayo pumarada dyan mga kaibigan. Paradaan natin. Oh. So, doon tayo sa dulo. So, paparada tayo dito sa likod ni Lidl Market mga kaibigan. Kasi haba pa ng oras natin. Okay? La Viva Pilipina! Dios amigos! Volunteero pa! Do Virginia!